Cwrt Orsaf is one of 3 extra care schemes in RCT, and we provide housing options for older people that require care and support.
My name's Paul Hazley, and I moved into Cwrt Orsaf 2 years and 4 months ago. Sadly, my wife passed away. I was pretty lost, to be honest. Coming years, I've made new friends, and everybody's very supportive. So yeah, it's helped me a lot.
The building is designed with RNIB visibly better standard, so all of the corridors are wide, it's light and airy, there's wayfinding signs everywhere, and all of the design is in mind for people who have got sight loss and dementia. The flats are all built to DDA standards, they're all suitable for wheelchair users with level access showers, and we've even got viewing windows that go into the corridors, so it gives that feeling of living on a street.
Since I've moved to Cwrt Orsaf, I believe my life has changed vastly. All the staff are absolutely amazing. They provide a meal every day for us at lunchtime, and I've got more friends now than I've had in a very long time.
It's a really unique scheme because we create a community within a community, really. So even though we're based in Mhontypridd, we are almost a little community on our own. We've got lots of services that we provide, and our day centre really brings those 2 communities together. So we do lots of shared initiatives and events and activities that support the health and well-being of older people.
It's like a club without the alcohol. Everybody meets, dominoes, cards, crafts, gets them up to the house, it relieves isolation, and it's such a rewarding job.
Myself and another one of the residents have actually built our own disco from scratch, lights and everything, which we've used once, and I got a plan with the manager to hopefully use it now for VE Day in May.
As for my activities, it's mostly the garden, doing little odd jobs for people, that sort of thing, because I'm fit and able enough to do it. And that's how I pass my day.
There's lots of activities to do here. We play bingo, we play card bingo, there's an art group, and I gotta be honest, I love living here. It's the best thing I ever done, we moved into here.
The impact on our customers and in being able to live in extra care is huge. They're in an environment where they feel safe and secure, and there's staff on site 24/7 to be able to deal with emergencies, just be a listening ear if they're having a bad day, and deliver those high quality care and support services that we really strive to provide.